Welcome to SOS Electronic Podcast. Today we will be talking about valve connectors by Hirschmann. If you need reliable connectors for industrial environments for electromagnetic valves used in pneumatic and hydraulic actuators, trust in the comprehensive range of quality connectors and accessories from Hirschmann. You can find rectangular industrial connectors at favorable prices in our warehouse assortment. We continually expand our range of industrial connectors to provide you with the most commonly used connectors, including those for electromagnetic valves and other actuators. Thanks to our long-standing and direct relationship with the manufacturer, Hirschmann, we can offer you expert technical support for your projects, quality products at favorable prices, and the manufacturer's open approach to special customer requirements. Hirschmann is a part of Belden. Belden, originally an American company founded in 1910, specializes in cable manufacturing. Today, it is a large multinational corporation that owns numerous globally recognized brands. Originally founded in 1924 as a German company, Hirschmann initially focused on manufacturing bases for light bulbs. Their current portfolio of solutions for network installation and connection meets virtually all requirements for modern, comprehensive industrial network infrastructures. Additionally, they offer a wide range of industrial connectors designed for demanding conditions. Valve connectors by Hirschmann. Rectangular industrial connectors from Hirschmann, often referred to as valve or solenoid connectors, are used not only for electromagnetic valves, but also for other actuators such as powering servo motors or sensors. Valves for pneumatic and hydraulic systems are most often operated by a solenoid. That means an electromagnet. But they also can be operated by an electric motor with a gearbox. František Ďuríšek, a product specialist from SOS Electronic, says that their main advantages include good IP protection, operational reliability, and affordable prices. They are also characterized by high resistance to dust, water, and vibrations. They may also contain an electronic circuit with an LED, varistor, or diode. There are three basic sizes of Hirschmann valve connectors. Form A. Contact spacing is 18 mm according to DIN 43650. Form B. Contact spacing is 11 mm or according to DIN 43650, the contact spacing is 10 mm. Form C, contact spacing is 9.4 mm or according to DIN 43650, the contact spacing is 8 mm. When selecting the appropriate connector type and its mating counterpart, be cautious that not all connector types within a given group, for example type C, are compatible with all counterparts of that type or size. Therefore, verify the correctness of your selection in the technical drawing, continues František Ďuríšek. For example, the rectangular industrial connector type C GSSA 200 black is a connector with pins 2 plus PE for the panel, and its mating counterpart can be type GDS 207 black or the connector GDS 307 black. Conversely, it will not be compatible with the connector GDSN 207 black or GDSN 307 black. The difference between the GDS and GDSN types lies in the contact spacing, similar to the difference between the GSSA and GSSNA types. Advantages and features of valve connectors by Hirschmann. Number of pins 2 plus PE, 3 plus PE. For voltages from 230 to 400 volts AC and DC. For current capacity up to 16 amps, depending on the type. For temperatures from -40 to +125 degrees Celsius. There are variants with indicator and protection circuits. Connector protection ratings from IP65 to IP69. Encapsulated connectors with cable are also available. There are various types of seals and other accessories that can be ordered separately. There are 3 sizes, A, B, C. There is wide variety of different types and designs. In the category of industrial rectangular connectors, Hirschmann valve connectors are very competitively priced and can thus represent an affordable solution for your projects. Directly from our warehouse, we offer you the most commonly used types of valve connectors, accessories for industrial connectors, as well as frequently used cables. If you want to get a basic overview of various types of valve connectors, cables with connectors, their basic parameters, or how they are labeled, please browse through comprehensive brochure from Belden that you can find on our website. From our extensive range of industrial connectors, we also recommend our selection of Hirschmann industrial connectors with cables, specifically the assortment of encapsulated connectors with cables. These may have different lengths and designs, so we have them available for order, such as the valve adapter type A with a 2-meter cable by Hirschmann. Are you interested in more information on Hirschmann products or technical advice when choosing a product? Or do you have any other question or request? Please contact us at soselectronic.com. We will be happy to help you.